Alright, it says an expression is shown below. What we need to do in part A is create an equivalent expression with the fewest terms possible. So that means that what I need to do is take my expression and I want to combine like terms and get rid of these parentheses. So in order to get rid of the parentheses, I'm going to use the distributive property. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I need to distribute what's outside the parentheses by what's inside of the parentheses. And remember, there's a wall behind the parentheses. So we have 3 times 9a, which gives me 27a. And then we have 3 times 6b. 3 times 6 gives me 18b. I can't distribute it any further because that's where the wall is. So I'm going to stop there. And now I have to distribute the next part of it. Here I have a negative outside, so I need to distribute the negative inside. And how do I do that? Well, there's an imaginary 1. So I'm going to take negative 1 times 5a, which gives me negative 5a, and negative 1 times 2b, which gives me negative 2b. So now I have this expression. So if I were to erase this, I have this expression 27a plus 18b minus 5a minus 2b. And I still can combine like terms because I have terms that are the same, have the same variable. So I have 27a and negative 5a, and then over here I have 18b and negative 2b. So I need to combine those. So I have 27 minus 5a. Well, that gives me 22a. And then I have 18b minus 2b, which gives me 16b. So this is the term with the fewest terms possible. So I have 22a plus 16b for my part A. Part B says if A represents apples that cost 35 cents and B represents bananas that cost 20 cents each, what is the total cost based on the expression above? So basically what I have to do here is I need to substitute in my values for A and B. So I'm going to write this over here. I have 22A plus 16B. And I know, based on part B, that A is equal to 0.35 cents and B is equal to 20 cents. So I'm going to substitute these values in. I have 22 times 0.35, and then I have 16 times 20 cents. Alright, so now I'm going to take 22 times 0.35, and that gives me $7.70. And then I'm going to do 16 times 0.2, which gives me $3.20. Okay, now I can add those two together, and I just have to line up the decimals to get $10.90. And that's my answer for part B. That's my total cost.